Yo, what's up, Zen Dude Nation? It's your boy B Nasty, aka Zen Master App, aka Brandon. If you're new to this channel, we do high intensity jump rope workouts, so welcome to the community, welcome to the family. If you're not new to this channel, we are doing a workout Wednesday today. Nothing new, jump rope and body weight exercises, all out effort, give it everything you got. Throughout this workout, we're gonna be using the cross rope. We linked it up below in the description for you. It's 10% off if you use our link. So if you want the jump rope that the Zen dudes use, it's linked up below. It's the best rope we've seen. This workout, we're gonna be going back and forth between jump rope exercises and high intensity body weight exercises. So, you know, get ready to go. Cut your sleeves off your sweatshirts. Let's roll. Finally, if you'd like to join our inner circle of Zen dudes and dudettes transforming their bodies and their lives, join our free 4-week challenge. You get free 4 weeks of workouts just like this one that get harder and harder until you become a jump rope ninja. But of course, they start out pretty easy. That is linked up in the description below for you. It's also linked up in the right-hand corner of the screen as well. Now, let's get into the workout.
Regular balance, ladies and gentlemen. Come on, Zen Dude Nation. Now, I know this is a beginner workout, but that doesn't mean that you need to be going slow. You should be going as fast as you possibly can, like my boy B over here. Very nice, my friend. Halfway, 15 seconds, ladies and gentlemen. Look at this form, impeccable, impeccable form. Not coming that high off the ground, and don't worry if you mess up, guys. 5 seconds left. 3, 2, 1. Jumping jacks. Again, guys, look how fast Brandon's going here. This is not a high intensity workout unless you're getting highly intense. You know what I mean? Great form. Great flailing of the arms, B. That's what I'm talking about. Speed it up, baby. Look at that face. That face means he's going hard. 10 seconds, ladies and gentlemen. I don't care what stresses you have going on in your life. Exercise is a perfect way to get rid of all those stresses in a healthy way, so get intense, guys. So what I was trying to say before I got cut off was that you guys should be going as intense as you possibly can. If you have a stress or something at work, at home, take it out on the jump rope, take it out on your exercise, do it in a healthy way. Good, ladies and gentlemen, 15 seconds, 15 seconds. Keep up that high speed pace. 10 seconds. Good. 5, 3, 2, 1, done. Mountain climbers, guys. Now it's important to note here, look how Brandon's keeping his butt down and back straight the whole time that he's doing these. You want to engage the abdominal muscles, and you can't do that unless you have proper form. Good, B, good, B. Good, guys, just made it keep that back down and back straight, butt down. 10 seconds. Come on, Zen Dude Nation. You're almost halfway through the workout. Excuse me, plane. We're trying to exercise here. Back to jump rope regular bounce, ladies and gentlemen. Keep that intensity up. Also, beginners, I want you guys doing this circuit 3 times. My more advanced people, feel free to do it about 5 times. Halfway there, guys, halfway there. Good, B. Nice, dude. You're looking shredded, bro. Are you using a cross rope?
Yeah, cross rope.
You must be using a cross rope, son.
Yeah, it's amazing.
You look good. Done. Good. High knees, guys, get them up. As you can see here, Brandon is killing it. He's got his knees coming up right around the chest area, a little bit past 90 degrees, which is what you want. And he's going fast, he's going intense. Nothing on his face says, I'm not going intense. It's only intensity. It's only intensity. That's what we have here today, ladies and gentlemen. 10 seconds left. Yeah, yeah, yeah. yeah, 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 yeah. 3, 2, 1, yeah. Last set of regular bounce for this circuit, ladies and gentlemen. Make it count. I don't need to tell you again to get intense. You should already be very sweaty and very out of breath right now. Good. Do the thing, ladies and gentlemen. Do the thing. Make sure you get your fruit water. Make sure you drink your green juice. Make sure you use your cross rope, okay? That's what being a Zen dude or a Zen dudette is all about. Simplicity, fun, and taking action. Butt kicks, last one, last exercise of this circuit, guys. It's pretty straightforward, we're just kicking the butt. We're just kicking the butt. Brandon's taking his heel and he is smacking himself in the glutes. Very nice, very nice. Nice butt, Brandon. You must do a lot of squats. 10 seconds. 10 seconds, ladies and gentlemen. I'm lying to you, it's only 5 seconds now because when you get intense, time goes by when you're having fun.
Yo, what's up, Zen dude or dudette? Thank you so much for doing the workout today, committing to yourself, doing the thing. We appreciate the effort. If you like this workout, please subscribe to the channel and drop any comments you have below and give us a like if you like the video. If you don't give us a like. Give us a dislike. No, please don't. Please don't. Zen Dude Nation, we're gonna talk about this in a couple days, but we just started a new month, which means we are giving away more cross ropes, more free stuff. So if you want to win free stuff, post your transformations all month long on Instagram, hashtag do the thing and tag at Zen Dude Fitness and at Crossrope, because we're giving away cross ropes. So tag them. Doses.